Hello, my name is Rajiv. In my earlier video, I explained to you who I am and why did I start my CPA practice. In this video, I will try to explain to you how will it feel like to work here in our company, Shalini Gupta Associates. Before I get into the detail, how will it feel like, let us discuss briefly what exactly do we do. We offer advisory services in the areas of accounting and taxes while keeping them in compliance with various reporting requirements required by various agencies, and these agencies define the deadline. Therefore, we need to comply those deadlines so that information return can be filed with them on a timely and accurate manner. As you can see, a lot of work which we do is a time sensitive. In order to do this work effectively and make each member of our company successful, it is very important that there has to be a workflow and defined task for everybody. In our office, we do our best to have a workflow for each type of a task. And within a workflow, the task is broken into a very small task and we then can assign each of the member in our company. The completion of the task depends upon positive contribution by each person who has been assigned a job and who or she then complete that job on a timely and accurate manner. Therefore, the people who work here, each of their activities they perform affects the other people. Therefore, it is important that we should do this job effectively because other people are also dependent upon that. So don't think that, okay, you have to do the job. And how do I do that? Even if you have workflow. We do provide enough training so that you can adopt to our culture and our system in order for them to become successful in performing your jobs. The teamwork is very important because we believe the task, since is broken into so many smaller tasks and tasks are interdependent, it is important that we should show the spirit of teamwork in our actions. Whether you're doing a scanning or doing a faxes or taking a phone calls or maybe preparing a tax return or maybe spending a time with the client in meeting and answering their questions, all of those tasks are important. So don't think you're in the lower in the food chain or in the high side of the food chain. Each task is important, and success of the company depends upon the success of successfully completing each task, be it in the lower side, be it in the higher side. Every task is equal to us, every task is important to us. We do our best in our office to create a family environment. We treat each member in our office as a family member to us. They're very important to us. We trust them, we listen to them, we respect them, we take their opinion. So therefore, we do our best people to feel here comfortable. We wanted to know more about each one of you so that I understand your stories, I understand your background. It really helped us to create a good working relationship between all of us. We also try to help our people to grow within the organizations. Therefore, we encourage you, while taking your primary responsibilities, try to learn other areas if it's interest to you. Spend some time with other people and with them, what they do, how they do, and learn from them. And if you do see you are showing a good interest, we may even send you out to take some classes and pay for that. Therefore, it is important that you should take a self-initiative. Most of the work which you do in our office is done during the normal business hours. However, in the months of November and December, as well as February through April, we get very busy because of the tax deadline. And we want each one of you to understand what those deadline means and need to respect that. And during those time frame, we may have to work extras, we may have to work overtime, or we may have to come over the weekend. And I want you to know that no matter how much extra work you do, you will be well compensated for that. We offer a good salaries, paid time off, health insurance, contribution to the retirement plan. And if necessary, we will help you in your educations. Apart from the work, we also do some fun activities. We do some games in the office. Sometimes we go out and have a lunch or dinner together. Sometimes we may paint some painting or just talk to each other. Freedom of doing the work within the predefined parameter also comes with the responsibilities. We expect everyone in our office to follow the company's policies and procedure. We believe it is important because it creates a consistent and a friendly environment in the office. In this page, I have given below the list of all our policies and procedure, and I do encourage you to read them and understand them before you apply for any position in our office. Thank you. Thank you for listening.